Okay guys, i-unbox naman natin ngayon ang Proof Pop Fiction book na tinatawag na Charan Special Edition by Onichen Teresa May Sanchez. Yan ay ang Proof Pop Fiction Special Section made popular by Wattpad. So yan ang ating first unboxing date repost. So yan, 195 pesos sa National Bookstore. Nakakaibahan nito is the same daw siya sa anime na The Another. So yan ang ating unboxing. At i-unbox natin sunod naman ay libro Realize Adult Pop Fiction. Then yung isa pang Clove Pop Fiction book ulit na ganito. Then balikan natin yung A Place in Time by part 2. At ihahabol pa natin yung bagong labas ulit. So marami tayong hahabulin dahil late update tayo ngayon. So ayan muna ang ating unboxing Clove Pop Fiction Edition.